why do you think that this workshop is so important right now, especially for women, but for men as well?
It's one of my favorite workshops, and I'm thrilled to be doing it. It's marvelous because, I mean, Italy is the lap of the goddess, and yet, especially women have been cut off from the divine feminine, the goddess within themselves, right? Um, they've been cut off from their own power, from their spirituality, from their gifts, um, and and they're rediscovering that, right? This is a new generation of which has tremendous freedom, and they're beginning to discover what's possible. They're discovering the magic in themselves, the goddess within themselves. And I love doing this workshop because it's an opportunity for women to experience that. It's a very experiential workshop. And so they are encountering personally their connection to the goddess, to the divine feminine, as maiden, as mother, as crone, and in all sorts of other forms. And we use a variety of practices that women can then take with them to continue to cultivate that relationship inside of themselves and to recognize it in the world around them and in other women with whom they're working. And for men, it's very important because it's a healing. It's an opportunity for them to reconnect with the goddess within themselves and to pay homage and to come into right relationship with feminine power, which is essential. And in a broader context, this is what is missing from the world. The reason that the crises that we're facing are as bad as they are is because of the suppression of women and the suppression of the divine feminine. So this workshop is a way of midwifing her return to the world and to each of us. It's deeply empowering, it's inspiring, it's liberating, and it's very, very healing. And I love giving it. So I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to doing it.